Hey guys, we're at the hotel at Homestead. We're gonna do a fire alarm tour. Floor one's got Firelight BZ12s and a system sensor mass, and it's got a really nasty looking strobe on it. And the lights are open. Alright, inside the fire extinguisher box they have the Advantage Badger fire extinguisher. And up there is another system sensor mass. And the BZ12, these must be new because you don't see them a lot. Up there we got a, in the hallway here we got a BZ10 and a Wheelocks 7000T. More system sensor masses along that wall. Firelight alarms by Honeywell, BZ12, and a 7000T on a plate. That they need to renovate the strobes and an R symbol. I don't know what that means. Wait a minute. This isn't a. Well, there's the fire system right there. The fire hose connecting. Wait a minute. This ain't a real. Okay. So, I guess we're done with floor one already. Dang, it's like it must be maid hour. We have old air conditioners. And up here on this hallway we got more Wheelocks 7000Ts. That one's orange, so it's cool. And BZ12s. Wheelocks 7000T. Along this wall we got system sensor masses with those are the old system sensor masses. And then there's another sensor mass. I think that's what they are, the masses. And across the hallway we got a exit sign and a BZ10. On top of here, we got a security camera. Act normal. And a very pink Wheelocks 7000T and a BZ12. There's the water feature. This is brand new because you could tell they've been renovating. A light set and a system sensor mass. An exit sign leading to downstairs. BZ10 and a Wheelocks 7000T. And more cameras, which is not the best, and we're dead-ended here. So I hope you enjoyed the fire alarm tour. Well, we didn't do the downstairs aisle of this, so we'll do really quickly, I guess. System sensor masses along this wall. Inside the lobby is a Wheelocks 7000 and BZ12s. Those are our two trucks parked next to each other. Light. And again, more system sensor masses. And a phone box. Ooh, what do we got here? Lint exits. Dasani and wow, that's all they have. Oh, they got the good power rate that I like there. Whoa, that's a big dryer. Washing machines at a low price. And I guess we're back where we started now. Oh, wait a minute. It's masses, old cameras. This is a nice tour. I'm gonna do more fire alarm tours as my channel gets older. It's another system sensor mass. And a very cool cabana. OMG, it even has fans in it. How cool is this place? And the leaves here, they really absorb a lot of my voice. And look, these are even real. How cool is that? And oh, trailer. That's cool. And this tour ends on this side with the system sensor mass. I hope you enjoyed my fire alarm tour. SE Mike Papa, aka Elevator and Alarm Geek. And I'll see you sometime soon.